Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. What does this question have to do with? Well, I think everybody would agree today was a good solid move. I mean, from where it was to where it ultimately closed up there, good solid day. I don't think anybody can really, argue against that. That's the worst looking arrow I've ever seen. But regardless, you get the point. But this does bring up the question, well, yeah, this has been a great move. Everybody would agree with that. But is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that's why I love charts. Makes things just very kind of in your face. So this one level here, down there at that point, which sits at 0013. Why is 0013 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So think about 0013. If the price were to close below it, or worse yet, separate to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They make progress in the upwards direction. So in my mind, 0013, very important level of support. Ideally speaking, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above 0015, like it essentially did all day today, then that would be a great sign of strength. But by no means am I saying that 0015 is a must-hold level. Now, what about levels of resistance? There's really one key one that's really sticking out at this point. And that level of resistance is up here at 0017, which is where the price ultimately got rejected today. You could definitely call it 0016 an area of resistance, but overall, 0017 seems to be that key one. You can see rejected the price there and rejected the price right there. Anyway you slice it, though, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving.